Hey guys, welcome to Fit After 50 and today's core workout. It's a 10-minute workout based around the mountain climber. So we're going to alternate a mountain climber exercise, core exercise with another core exercise. Intervals are 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off, 10 different exercises with not repeating. Since the mountain climber exercises expect to work your shoulders, your glutes, and your chest also. All right, we're starting off in 8 seconds. Get in your mountain climbing position, nice plank. And knees out. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 45 seconds. Nice and controlled pace. Trust me, you want to keep it in control. There's going to be a lot of time spent in this position today. 45 seconds is a long interval. I expect to suffer pretty well during this, so you should expect the same. Here we go. Out, back, out, back. 10 seconds left. Keep it up. We're gonna flip over into the Russian twist. 2, 1, relax. All right, got 15 seconds. Relax, Russian twist. Preview up on the screen. You guys know what to do. Legs up or legs down, depending on your fitness or core strength level. 3, 2, 1, legs up and let's go. Nice and control. 40 seconds. We just started, so yes. Keep twisted, keep moving. Keep it here. 25 seconds left. 15. Keep it up. Less than 10. We got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right. Back to the mountain climbing position. Back to the plank. This time your knees are going across, so right knee towards your left elbow. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Across and back. Cross, back. Beautiful. Cross, cross, cross. Keep it up. Keep that core tight. 30 seconds left. 15 seconds, keep it going. Come on, guys. I'm starting to feel challenged. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, back on our backs. Scissor kicks. Make sure to support the lower back and keep the back engaged the entire time by pushing it into the floor. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Legs out, and let's go. 1, 2. Go at my pace. No reason to rush. "30 seconds. Head up. Keep the lower back jammed into the floor. Keep it going. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and legs down. All right, mountain climbing position. We're doing mountain jacks. You guys know what to do. Kind of like a jumping jack, but just your legs going in a V and then back. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Out, back, out, back, out, back, out, back. Keep it up, out, back. A little bit of cardio, a little bit of core. Notice I'm not rushing this. The last thing we want to do is get hurt. Less than 20 seconds left. Keep it up. Ten seconds. Three, two, one, and relax. All right. Exercise number 6, the good old-fashioned sit-up. Once again, I don't care where your arms go. I have a tendency to keep my arms in front of me so I don't strain my neck. And pull up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Up and down. Nice and control. Up and down. Up, down. Up, down. Sit up and lay back down. Up. Keep it going. Got about 20 seconds left. Up. Looking good, looking good. Welcome to the Fit After 50 Club. Up, down. Keep it up, 5 seconds. Last one, and down. All right, mountain climb position once again. This time, we're not doing jumping jacks, but we're going in and out. In and out. Once again, very controlled, all right? Don't rush this. Ready, go. In, out. In, and jump out. In, and out. In, and plank. In. This is probably the hardest one of all the combinations. One, for me at least. Everybody's different. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In. Come on, 5 seconds left. Last one, and out. And relax. All right, candlestick. You guys know what to do. Support the lower back. Legs out, legs up. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's go out and up. Out and up. Out, up. Looking good. Let's go. Yeah. 20 seconds. Come on. Two, one, you know what, just relax. All right, last mountain climber. The only classic variation we haven't done. Just a plain old mountain climber. 45 seconds left. Running mountain climber. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Kick those legs all the way back. Keep it up, keep moving, come on. Move up a little bit, there we go. 20 seconds left. Ten seconds, 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, now we're going for 45 seconds. If we can make it a V hold. I don't care if you're in a V, just get those legs up off the ground and get those arms up in the air. 3, 2, 1, and hold it. That's it. Let me throw my foot not facing the camera. Hey guys, how's it going? Just hold it. Fight it. Fight it with me. I'm fighting it already. We have 30 seconds left. Legs up, arms up, torso up. Nothing hit the ground besides your butt. just the butt in a V. 15 seconds left. Keep fighting it. Come on. Single digits, guys. We got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Woo! Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. But I thought it was a pretty cool 10-minute core workout based around the mountain climber. My name is Paul. This is Fit After 50. This is my basement. This is where all the workouts come from. Don't forget to join me on Mondays and Thursdays. For 4.5 years running now, we have not missed an upload. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.